why am I surprised? Like, I feel like I'm just getting for the first time. I'm just excited to see it again. Hi guys, it's Ife Jacob. Okay, so today is day 3 of the 30 days non-stop daily post challenge. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. It's a countdown to my birthday on March 25, and I hope it's gonna be a wonderful day. I believe it's gonna be a wonderful day. Alright, so and thanks for being with me on this journey, because I believe that your support is going to help me to go a long way and give me the encouragement that I need to make this challenge possible. I just want to show you just some clips on how my day went. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I got this. Oh my god, my house is messy, so I don't want to show you everything. Yeah, where is my face? Here I am. Alright, so today I got my ring light back, so you can see that the lighting is not very good. So I got my okay, so it's faulty whenever I try to turn it on. I plugged it and I tried to turn it on. So it's kind of takes a lot of time, a lot of click, setting before it turns on. So I spoke with them. What is this? What is this mess? Ew. So I'm not actually enjoying the video quality because of the lightning. So I had to tell them to return it back. So I needed this ring light, and it's only ring light. Okay, don't think I'm putting something bigger in it. It's just ring light. Yeah, so let's try and open it and see, try it and see if it works well. Package open. I love to open packages. Oh. I need scissors. Then cut through. Okay. Oh my god, it's wait, why am I surprised? Like, I feel like I'm just getting for the first time. I'm just excited to see it again. Alright, I just hope they give me a new one, not the one I sent back to them. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks beautiful, right? The color is bright. I don't know. We have to plug it to be sure that they didn't send me what I sent back to them. Alright, so okay, it's actually not the same because there should be a piece of paper inside, just to show that I sent this back to them. So, and look, they gave me a new remote. I actually have the remote here. They gave me a new remote. I think I have this. Oh no! I have this too. I have this too. I only sent the ring light and the charger. Sorry, like the cable. But they sent this to me. A new remote control and a new stand. Where are they so generous? Well, it's good.
Nice.
So let's try and see if it doesn't give me a headache. Feels new though.
What?
Why do I feel the same thing?
2,000 years later.
Okay, let's try again.
生まれた時から向かい同士
Oh no. Okay. So look, guys. Oh my god, it's so good, right? I think I'm actually happy with this one. Although at first I was thinking they'll return it back to me, like what I sent to that, I thought they'll return it back to me because when I plugged in the first pot, it was shaky. So I had to like change it, then it went off. Yay! Good. Okay, now that we've gotten the light back, I'm so excited. And I really can't wait to shoot my next video. So you can tell me in the comment section what video you would like me to shoot in this 30 days non-stop video challenge, a countdown to my birthday, March 25, okay? And don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And also kindly like this video, comment, share, and see you all in my next video. Thank you. Goodbye.